One other problem that we face in a group discussion is that of crosstalk. There are many situations where subgroups get formed in a GD and there are 2 or 3 people talking on one side among themselves and 2 or 3 people talking on one side at the other end. At this kind of situation, what should you do? Well, again, you can try and do a couple of things. You can try and come up with a fresh perspective. You can try and say, let us talk about this, and raise your voice so that both the subgroups get to listen to you. On the other hand, you can also try and identify the leaders within those subgroups and try and get eye contact with them. Try and come back to the group as a whole. If you have a look at this clip, you will notice how there are subgroups formed in this GD, and towards the end, how speaker 5 from the left gives a fresh perspective, gets the attention of the group, and again the group starts talking in a single coherence.
At such a very low, you can say, amount. So,
yes, but we have to discuss. We have to discuss this BPOs in terms of the present situation. In the present situation, what do we see here? It is an economic recession. An economic recession is going on, and the point is that in the situation of economic recession, what will happen is that there would be a job loss. When if US cuts jobs, because we see that
the time of recession, when India was heading toward the IT industry, okay, then we were all about providing employment to the individuals, but we have to see, like in the time of recession, maybe the share of US is.
I would like to put it right.
We can say like this, that at the time of recession, this only IT sector survived. Despite of other sectors' survival.
The jobs for the youngsters and as well what are our generations which been affected by the BPO? It's been creating a job and the people are being independent and they have been power of spending more money because they are being working. And at the same time BPO is creating a short-term career. At the same time now, like India as becoming one of the competitive industries.
So another positive point was they are creating some employment opportunities. We have to address this point. The positive point was towards which they are moving is that employment generation. They are creating employment. They are generating employment opportunities. And this is because of overpopulation, and they are settling this population and such a huge amount of rate.
The youth of our country are working at the night, the whole night. So it seems like in call centers, women go out at night, and when they're coming back, they're raped.
See, there is no doubt. But there is no doubt that it has spoiled our culture. We are so much dependent on it. Another positive point that why India is leading among these developing nations towards handling their all these major economies.
Money is coming into India.
My dear friends, we have to explain that why India is among these developing nations towards handling the major work of these US and other developed nations. It is because of Vietnam. It is
what has happened is the world is flat. The world is flat. Nandan Nilekani is CEO of.
Thus, you must realize that when there is crosstalk or subgroups getting formed in your GD, it is actually an opportunity for you to show your leadership qualities and to get the group back on track.